I'm Dr. Jennifer Martin, and I am here to talk to you today about Circles of Grace, a concept devised by Justin Jones Fosu. You can contact him on Twitter at Justin Inspires. And to inspire you for this content, we will begin with a quote from Justin, and it is, "We judge ourselves by our intent, while we judge others by their impact." Circles of Grace is a concept that pertains to how we identify and judge and treat other people. So in this diagram, the circles closest to us represent the relationships to which we will defend, protect, and empathize. For example, we are more likely to defend, protect, and empathize with the people who are close to us, such as our family and friends, more so than we are to a stranger. The next circle outside of family and friends, in the people that we are closest to, are the people who are like us or the people who are like someone that we love. So we are likely to protect, defend, and have empathy for people who are like us, people who we can identify with, and also people who are like someone that we love, because we can understand and identify with these people. The next circle of grace is meaningful relationships and exposure. So if we have meaningful relationships with and exposure to people who are different from us, we also can have a heightened sense of empathy for them, be able to protect and defend them because we have meaningful relationships with people like them and exposure to them. Outside the circle of grace, as you can see in the bottom left corner, is everybody else. So if we have various groups of people who are different from us, who aren't in any of our circles of grace, we might not be likely to identify with them or to empathize with them. An example of a group that often is categorized by everybody else is the concept of Islamophobia. So after 9/11, many individuals adhering to the Islamic faith were subject to increased stereotypes and violence. So if you do not have a person of the Muslim faith in your circles of grace, you might be more likely to judge them or stereotype them or fear them as being a terrorist. A few questions for you to think about. If we widen our circles of grace, how might that impact our school and our society? How does our knowledge and exposure to diversity impact our empathy for and treatment of other cultures?